Welcome to Eagle Creek Golf Club. This is Dr. Justin Coe with Oviedo Chiropractic.
My name is Liam Sullivan and I'm the Director of Coaching here at Eagle Creek. And we're here today to talk to you about how chiropractic care can help you with your golf game.
Biggest part of increasing power, which Coach Liam would likely talk to you about, is clubhead speed. That's number one. Most power from that comes from the core. And what we're talking about core doesn't mean ab work. It also means inner core work, which the core muscles create around your spine, which also creates your hip flexors in the front of your leg muscles, and then also creates that round up torque.
So the key phrase I would use is range of motion. The bigger range of motion that we can create, the further we can get the golf club to travel, the more potential we have for club speed and then ball speed. Can we get the hips to rotate 45 degrees and the shoulders to rotate 90 degrees? So those two are very much intertwined. The further we can turn, rotate and move through momentum, the more power and speed we can create.
We need to create power through the physical motion and the physical strength, joint and muscle flexibility. Flexibility is very, very big, but also too creating that power.
If we looked at some of the players on tour with all of the work they do with their bodies, they can actually rotate a lot further than that and obviously hit the ball a lot further. Now that's very different to somebody who has, let's say, not taken great care of the body or had injuries or is slightly older. Then the goal might change and it may be just a case of let's use the technique to make the swing as long and as rotational as possible, and if we find ourselves limited, it's then time to get an adjustment.
A lot of the activities that you see are for golf exercises. The guys at Titleist Performance Institute do a phenomenal job of creating that balance. Everything's about balance and symmetry and trying to work on those muscles that they're the smaller muscles of the body that we have to really try to make sure that those are balancing out the bigger muscles of the body.